Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We just got a new Benchmade knife in. This is the mini version of the popular Benchmade Narrows folding knife in titanium. This measures at almost 1/3 of an inch thick. The drop point blade is stonewashed and is made from CPM 20CV stainless steel or 5961 HRC. The handle is made from titanium 6AI4V. It also includes a mini deep carry tip up pocket clip and lanyard hole. The blade length is almost 3 inches long. The open length is 7 inches long. And when closed, it measures just under 4 inches. It weighs just under 2 ounces. See the description below for pricing, other details, and a link to the listing. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to be alerted to new products, which include a lot of new Benchmade knives that we've received, sales, and how-to videos, including discount codes. Make sure to like this video because that really helps us out a lot, and share this with your friends and family. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.